Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and all dear my friend. My name is Tia. I'm from class 8. Today I'm here for the role play of Alia Bai Holkar. And today I tell you about Alia Bai Holkar. Alia Bai Holkar is regarded as one of the finest female rulers in India history. As a ruler of Malwa Kingdom, she spread the message of dharma and promote industrialization in the 18th country, known for her wisdom and administration skills. Alia Bai had a humble beginning in a small village near the Ahmednagar district village, Maharashtra. She was born in Chodi to the village and Mankoji Siddhi on May 31, 11725. Women did not go to school during that time, but her father himself educate her and taught her how to read and write. Young Alia Bai Chhattisgarh and similarly impressed Malwa territories and served as a commander in service to Parva Bajirao. So great was his liking for the girl that Malwa Rao got Alia Bai married with his son Kandirao at the age of 8. In 1733, 12 years after the wedding, in the year 1745, Alia Bai's husband was killed during the siege of Kumbhar Fort. Grief-stricken, it is said that Alia Bai wanted to sacrifice himself by community Sathi, but it was her father-in-law Malya Rao who discussed her against it and instead trained her in administration and military matters. After the deaths of her father-in-law 1766 and the year Alia Bai petitioned the Pashwa to allow her to take over the region of Malwa. She had been fully trained in military and administration better by then, and she was brilliant and it thought. Same of the nobles object to this. She had full support of Holkar army very much supported. On many occasions, Alia Bai lead the army himself from the front like brave, very armed with bones and areas of the elephant. The Pashwa grants her permission to take over in 1767 and Alia Bai proceeds to rule Malwa in a wish and sections manners for the next 28 years. During her regions, Malwa was never once attacked. When at that time the whole of central India was facing a power struggle, with battle being fought her through under the rule. Malwa remained an ocean of celebrity and peace. She turned her capital city Maheshwar into a literary, musician, artist, and an industries center. She never established a textile industry there, which is now home to the famous Maheshwar. Pradhan had daily public access and was accessibility to anyone who needed her ear. Alia Bai turned Malwa into a prosperous land, starting with improving the infestative of the place of building front and road and repairing gates. She built tanks and reset home across areas stretching from the Himalayas to Pilgrimage Center in South India. She sponsored festival and gave donation to build, repair and restore temple from Badrinath, Dharkan, Omkareshwar, Omkareshwar to Puri. Omkareshwar to Puri, Gaya, Rameshwar, every holy pilgrimage place in India had a contribution in one way or other from Aliabai Hulkar. Most notable of all was the famous Kashi Vishwanath temple, which she rebuilt and restored in 1780, 40 years after its discovery by Augustus. Thank you and have a nice day.